What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Who makes breakfast at your home?
My mother makes breakfast at my home.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I drink tea in the morning.
When does your father leave for work?
My father leaves for work at 8 o'clock.
Where do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
Who wakes you up in the morning?
My alarm clock wakes me up in the morning.
What do you do first after waking up?
I wash my face first after waking up.
Do you pray in the morning?
Yes, I pray in the morning before breakfast.
What does your mother do in the kitchen?
My mother cooks breakfast in the kitchen.
When do you take a shower?
I take a shower after brushing my teeth.
What does your father read in the morning?
My father reads the newspaper in the morning.
Do you eat fruits in the morning?
Yes, I eat an apple in the morning.
What do you wear in the morning?
I wear my school uniform in the morning.
When does your mother wake up?
My mother wakes up at 5:30 in the morning.
Do you open the windows in the morning?
Yes, I open the windows in the morning for fresh air.
Who makes your bed in the morning?
I make my bed in the morning.
What does your sister drink in the morning?
My sister drinks milk in the morning.
Does your father watch TV in the morning?
Yes, my father watches the news on TV in the morning.
What do you pack in your school bag in the morning?
I pack my books and notebooks in my school bag in the morning.
Who helps you get ready for school?
My mother helps me get ready for school.
When does your brother wake up?
My brother wakes up at 7 o'clock.
Do you eat together in the morning?
Yes, we eat breakfast together in the morning.
What sound do you hear in the morning?
I hear birds chirping in the morning.
Does your mother water the plants in the morning?
Yes, my mother waters the plants in the morning.
What do you smell in the morning?
I smell the fresh air in the morning.
Who irons your clothes in the morning?
My father irons my clothes in the morning.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise for 15 minutes in the morning.
What does your grandmother do in the morning?
My grandmother prays in the morning.
Where do you sit for breakfast?
I sit at the dining table for breakfast.
What do you write in the morning?
I write my homework in the morning.
Do you feel fresh in the morning?
Yes, I feel fresh in the morning.
What does your mother drink in the morning?
My mother drinks tea in the morning.
Does your father read the Quran in the morning?
Yes, my father reads the Quran in the morning.
When do you feed your pet in the morning?
I feed my pet after breakfast in the morning.
Who switches off the lights in the morning?
My brother switches off the lights in the morning.
What do you hear in the kitchen in the morning?
I hear the sound of frying eggs in the kitchen in the morning.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my phone in the morning.
What does your sister do in the morning?
My sister combs her hair in the morning.
Who sweeps the floor in the morning?
My mother sweeps the floor in the morning.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink a glass of water in the morning.
What do you read in the morning?
I read a book in the morning.
Does your family pray together in the morning?
Yes, my family prays together in the morning.
When do you leave home in the morning?
I leave home at 7:30 in the morning.
What does your brother eat in the morning?
My brother eats bread and jam in the morning.
Do you like mornings at home?
Yes, I like mornings at home very much.
What do you hear outside in the morning?
I hear children playing outside in the morning.
Does your mother pack lunch in the morning?
Yes, my mother packs lunch in the morning.
Who calls you in the morning?
My friend calls me in the morning.
What do you see outside the window in the morning?
I see the sunrise outside the window in the morning.
Do you wash dishes in the morning?
Yes, I wash dishes in the morning.
What does your father wear in the morning?
My father wears his office clothes in the morning.
Who prepares tea in the morning?
My mother prepares tea in the morning.
Do you help your mother in the morning?
Yes, I help my mother in the morning.
When does your grandfather wake up?
My grandfather wakes up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
What do you eat with tea in the morning?
I eat biscuits with tea in the morning.
Does your father use his phone in the morning?
Yes, my father uses his phone in the morning.
Who checks homework in the morning?
My mother checks my homework in the morning.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, I listen to music in the morning.
What does your aunt do in the morning?
My aunt cooks food in the morning.
Where do you keep your shoes in the morning?
I keep my shoes near the door in the morning.
Do you go jogging in the morning?
Yes, I go jogging in the morning.
What does your uncle drink in the morning?
My uncle drinks black coffee in the morning.
Who washes clothes in the morning?
My sister washes clothes in the morning.
Do you watch cartoons in the morning?
Yes, I watch cartoons in the morning.
When does your school bus arrive in the morning?
My school bus arrives at 7:45 in the morning.
What does your cousin do in the morning?
My cousin studies in the morning.
Do you feel hungry in the morning?
Yes, I feel hungry in the morning.
What do you smell from the kitchen in the morning?
I smell parathas from the kitchen in the morning.
Who opens the main gate in the morning?
My father opens the main gate in the morning.
Does your family talk at the breakfast table?
Yes, my family talks at the breakfast table in the morning.
When does your sister leave for school?
My sister leaves for school at 7:30 in the morning.
What do you write in your diary in the morning?
I write my plans in my diary in the morning.
Do you feel sleepy in the morning?
Yes, I feel sleepy in the morning sometimes.
What does your father do after breakfast in the morning?
My father goes to the office after breakfast in the morning.
Who clears the table after breakfast in the morning?
My brother clears the table after breakfast in the morning.
Do you play with your pet in the morning?
Yes, I play with my pet in the morning.
What does your mother cook for breakfast in the morning?
My mother cooks parathas and tea for breakfast in the morning.
Where do you wash your hands in the morning?
I wash my hands in the bathroom in the morning.
Does your sister use the mirror in the morning?
Yes, my sister uses the mirror in the morning.
Who folds the blankets in the morning?
I fold the blankets in the morning.
What do you hear from the street in the morning?
I hear vendors on the street in the morning.
Do you like the smell of tea in the morning?
Yes, I like the smell of tea in the morning.
What does your brother wear in the morning?
My brother wears his uniform in the morning.
When do you open your books in the morning?
I open my books at 6:30 in the morning.
Do you enjoy the sunlight in the morning?
Yes, I enjoy the sunlight in the morning.
Who turns on the fan in the morning?
My sister turns on the fan in the morning.
What does your father carry in the morning?
My father carries his office bag in the morning.
Does your mother smile in the morning?
Yes, my mother smiles in the morning.
What do you do after breakfast in the morning?
I put on my shoes after breakfast in the morning.
Who locks the door in the morning?
My father locks the door in the morning.